Yeah, here we have a 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. Just have it powered up just to show you that it does operate. So. There's a hydraulic down feed, and as the head goes down, this latch hits the switch, turns the machine off. So all the functions appear to operate correctly on here. It's got a little bit of shipping distress. This plastic junction box got a little busted up, and that is replaceable. Also, the power cord, it was kind of mangled up, so we had to cut it off, and we just kind of pre-wired it. So you are going to need a plug for that. Other than that, it's in real good shape. A little dusty, a little bit of oil on there. Also includes 2 axles, 4 caster wheels. This is your belt cover, and this is a plate here that you can also swing the whole unit up and do some vertical cuts on it. Tested the coolant pump. Coolant pump operates right there. Device also operates.